3 steps to unlock potential of the ChatGPT. Maximizing the potential of ChatGPT, a guide for developers. Welcome to our video on ChatGPT, a potent program for producing text in the manner of a chat. A version of the GPT, generative pre-training transformer, model specifically designed for chats is called ChatGPT. We'll look at the best ways to use ChatGPT in your own projects in this video. Step 1. Setting up ChatGPT. You must have access to the model and a means of sending and receiving input and output in order to utilize ChatGPT. You have the choice of using the OpenAI API, which makes it simple to include ChatGPT into your projects. You must register for an API key, which you may do on the OpenAI website for no cost. Upon having your API key, you can use a library like OpenAI to interact with ChatGPT in your code. Step 2. Customizing ChatGPT. 1. ChatGPT has a number of parameters that you can adjust to customize its output. 2. For example, you can adjust the temperature parameter to control the level of creativity and unpredictability in the model's output. 3. You can also specify the max_tokens parameter to set a maximum length for the model's output. 4. Experimenting with different parameter settings can help you find the right balance for your specific use case. Step 3. Integrating ChatGPT into your projects. 1. There are many potential applications for ChatGPT, from chatbots to dialogue systems. Look at some examples of how you can incorporate ChatGPT into your own projects. 3. For instance, you could use ChatGPT to generate responses for a chatbot, or to create realistic-sounding dialogue for a video game. 4. Whatever your project, ChatGPT can help you generate high-quality text that sounds natural and human-like. Key takeaways. 1. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you generate chat-style text with ease. 2. By following the best practices outlined in this video, you can get the most out of ChatGPT and create impressive results. 3. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful, and we encourage you to experiment with ChatGPT in your own projects. Wiseomirski.biz